بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I pray each and every single one of you is doing well, and welcome back to another Ramadan Reminder. One easy way to bring change in your life is to sit in the company of the pious, i.e. we need to change our friend circle. We need to change the people we sit with. We need to change the people we spend our time with. And if we really want to bring a positive change, the most easiest way is to begin to sit in the company and the gatherings of the pious. And one thing you will definitely experience is, whilst you are sitting in their beautiful company, nothing but good and positivity will run through your heart and mind. You will not think about doing sin. You will not think about doing evil. The only thing you will want to do is, how can I get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And this reminds me of a beautiful hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which I'm paraphrasing, where he says that if a person was to go into a perfume shop and not even purchase any sort of perfume whatsoever, he will leave the shop with some fragrance and some scent still on his clothes. And this is the way and the effect our friendship has. If we are in good company, goodness will rub on to ourselves, even though we may not be doing goodness to that high degree. And if we are in bad company, then unfortunately the badness and the darkness will definitely rub off and have an ill effect on us. So let's use the month of Ramadan to change our friend circle and sit with the scholars and the ulama and benefit from them, and sit in the gatherings of the pious. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use these words for me but not against me on the day of Qiyamah. If you are enjoying these beautiful Ramadan reminders, then spread the goodness and share them with your friends and family. Please like, share and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Jazakallah khair. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.